Presenting the GMC 2022 Yukon Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x9 6-spoke polished aluminum, wheels, 22x9 bright machined aluminum, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, perforated leather seating surfaces, power-release second row bucket seats, power-release second row 60/40 split folding bench seat and not equipped with 4-way driver and FR-Pass PWR lumbar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.